Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on -8's mixed complement. Okay, so the formula is same as -8 big friends, but the way we will apply it is going to be different. Let's look at the first question. 14 minus 8. Do I have enough beats to do -8? No, right? So what is my formula? -10 and +2. Ma'am, -10 I can do for +2 now, because I don't have beats for +2. So apply the formula of 2 also. That is +5 minus 3. What did I do? I didn't have enough beats to do -8. So I applied its formula, that is -10. Now while doing +2, I saw that I didn't have beats for +2 also. So I applied +2's formula further. So what we are doing? Applying formulas in formulas. This is the basic difference from the big friends and complements. Okay. So 14 minus 8 done. Now plus 3 minus 6. My answer is 3. Okay. In the big friends, you can directly apply the formula. In mixed complements, you apply formula and formula. Okay. Next, plus 10 plus 2. Again 2. Now minus 8. Do I have enough beats to do -8? No. So my formula for -8 is -10 plus 2. Do I have enough beats to do +2? No. So my formula for +2, +5 minus 3. My answer is 6. Next question. 13 minus 8. Again, no beats to do -8. So formula for -8 is -10 plus 2. No beats to do +2. So formula for +2 is +5 minus 3. Now +2 plus 3. No beats to do +3. So formula for 3 plus 10 minus 7. My final answer is 10. Next. -19 minus 5 minus 8. No beats to do -8 again. So formula for -8, -10 and +2. No beats to do +2. So +5 minus 3 and then +3. My answer is 9. Next. 17 plus 5. Do I have enough beats to do 5? No. So my formula for 5 is +10 minus 5 plus 1. This is +1 in the question. And then -8. Do I have beats to do -8? No. So my formula for -8, -10 and +2. No beats to do +2 also. So my formula for +2, +5 minus 3. My answer is 15. Okay. Now, complete the A row in homework and drop the answers in the comments. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.